What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, and today we are back on the truck. Dog! As you can see, we got the outside of the truck painted most of the way, all the way around. So we just gotta fix the bed and then do the door tint as well. And we moving, so that's what we focusing on today. The tail, all that good stuff. Let's do it.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Day 2.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So
8:01 p.m.
So as y'all can see, we finished up with the bed. Can you hold on? Can you hold on for a second? Can you hold on for a second? Can you hold on for a second? As you see, we finished the bed. We got it all the way painted. It looks kind of different because that's a fresh coat of paint right here and that's older. But we got the whole thing painted. Moving on next, we're going to finish the paint job on the outside. There's a couple of spots that we have to sand and then fill in probably with Bondo. Nothing special. I mean, it's probably going to be a work truck, so not putting that much effort into it. But all that's really left now is finishing up the paint job. I did go ahead and order the other grill for this, so it'll look a little bit different too. But outside of that, that's all I'm gonna do to it.
hey, so make 'em run it back.